Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add foreign key in existing table in PhpMyAdmin. Before starting work, as my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in PhpMyAdmin and this is our table, and then you see course ID, course name, teacher ID. So we have already teacher table. So we are going to add foreign key constraint in existing table. Now go to structure. Now you see multiple option, and then you see course ID primary key, type int, course name varchar, teacher ID int. So we are going to set or add foreign key constraint using relation view option. But here you don't see relation view. Go to operation, and then in table option now you see storage engine MySQL. Now select InnoDB and then click on go. Now you see your SQL query has been executed. Now go to structure again, and then you see relation view. Now select, and then you see foreign key constraint. So you can add constraint name. So you can add name according to requirement. Now you see on delete, on update. You see 4 option: cascade, set null, no action, restrict. So we select restrict. So you can select option according to requirement, and then you see column name, column. Now select teacher ID, and then you see database. Now select database, and then you see table. Now select teacher, and then you see column. You see teacher ID. Now select, and then click on save, and then you see your SQL query has been executed successfully. Go to structure again, and then you see action, key name, type unique, pack, and then you see key name primary, and then you see this is our foreign key constraint we added. So in this way you can add foreign key constraint in existing table in PhpMyAdmin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.